Change. It's something the forests of Michigan have been constantly dealing with for more than 10,000 years. The seasons define life in Michigan, and the Nature Conservancy's 1,423-acre Ross Coastal Plain Marsh Preserve is no exception. As one of the last large blocks of northern hardwood forest in southwest Michigan, the preserve is a great place to experience the forest any time of year. Changing leaves in the fall light up the preserve with brilliant colors. As the days start to shorten and a cool autumn breeze fills the forest, life at Ross either leaves, seeking warmer weather, or braces for the harsh winter ahead. With lake-effect snow blanketing the ground, winter is quiet at Ross. At first glance, the sand dunes, forests, and wetlands of the preserve are devoid of life. But life is resilient, and those who brave the cold experience a tranquil winter wonderland, where life still thrives despite the harsh conditions. The snow eventually melts and makes way for spring wildflowers. With the flowers comes a flurry of activity at the preserve, from migrating birds to the cacophony of sounds echoing from the coastal plain marsh as these American toads try to find a mate. The preserve is teeming with life. Each season in the forest has its own feel, its own characteristics, all of them worth witnessing. Get outside and have your experience with nature today. To learn more about our other nature preserves, visit nature.org/preserves.